Today I will show you how to create an account on your Cake app. So let's do it. So I will just open my Cake app and directly it will take me to the home page. I will come here, and if you already have an account, I will just log in, and if I don't, I will click sign up. I will write my email here. My birth date, for example, username like this, and the password. And right now what I have to do, I will just click sign up when I write all of this information. Click sign up, and for example, receive by email the verification code, and right now they will send me like verification code on the email that I used. As you see right now, they send me an email for 7 and 5004, and click here accept all this like this. And right now guys, congratulations, you create an account on Cake easy and quick. So that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.